Everybody, this is Unit 3, Concept 7, Child Growth and Development. And the question this time is, are fine motor skills slower to develop than large motor skills? So this idea and concept is going back to the cephalocauda and proximal distal development that we talked about both prenatally and postnatally, right? So what that tells us is that development occurs from the inside out and from the head to the toe. So when we're looking at development of fine motor and large motor, or small motor and large motor, fine motor and gross motor, um, all those terms are interchangeable. So we know that the development is going from the inside out, while your fingers are on the outside. And same thing, that means the large muscles in the large development is being hit first. That gross motor is being hit first and being secured first. And the fine motor is going to be one of the last things to do because it comes down to your fingers and your hands and your toes. And that's it's going to take the longest to go to. And so when we're trying to, why do we need to know this is when we're looking at development of infant and toddlers and we're trying to get toddlers, older toddlers sometimes, but to write, we are often teaching them wrong because their fine motor isn't developed to the point that they can write. Instead, we need to be working on some pre-writing skills, like tracing with our fingers and moving our wrists and all of that to lead into writing. But like so many things, we don't want to push writing skills too early either because our fine motor just is not there yet. And so, why are fine motor skills slower to develop than large motor skills? That would be because when we look at that proximal distal and cephalocauda developments, we know that they are going to be the last things, the last pieces to develop based on the focus of our brain and our body in development. Okay, hope that helps and have a great unit.